Panduit has a variety of cable cleats to meet all of your needs, along with brackets and tools to simplify installation. Along with providing secure cable support, Panduit's cable cleats are designed to prevent short circuits. Let's define a short circuit to understand why cable cleats are used. A short circuit is a low-resistance connection between conductors supplying electrical power to a circuit. This low resistance results in excessive current flow in the power source. When a short circuit occurs, current in the system increases to an abnormally high value, while the system voltage decreases to a low value. The heavy current causes excessive heating, which can cause a fire or explosion in just a split second. A short circuit is powerful enough to cause cable and equipment damage. Typical circuit breakers trip and interrupt a fault between 0.06 and 1/10 of a second. During a short circuit fault, the maximum electromechanical stress between conductors occurs at around 0.005 of a second. Cable cleats are cable-resistant devices that provide resistance to those electromechanical forces before a circuit breaker trips. Panduit tests its cable cleats to the latest version of standard IEC 61914. Panduit's research and development team has created a state-of-the-art cable cleat simulation program that simulates the forces present in a short circuit, preparing our cable cleats for testing. The cleats are then subjected to a live short circuit fault to validate compliance with this standard. Selecting the right cable cleat can be a time-consuming process. The key parameters in selecting a cable cleat in trefoil formation are cable diameter and short circuit current rating. This is a complex mathematical equation. The turnaround time to provide a cable cleat recommendation based on these inputs can be lengthy. Panduit's cable cleat solutions are designed for a wide range of vertical markets, such as petrochemical, oil and gas, shipbuilding, rail, utilities, and data centers. Panduit's extensive cable cleat line optimizes on-the-job productivity, reliability, and safety. To learn more about Panduit's cable cleat offering, please visit panduit.com.